Somebody tried to body shame Dovey Magnum on the TC surgery pics. I'm gonna show you what happened coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, yesterday, people make a video. I'm showing say TC show our new look, our new body. I'm also telling say she post some pictures when we never do really post on them platform here, but them still up on our page. Also, then up on the medical spa page where she go. But people, I don't know how to take that person here now. Because Dovey Magnum comment on the TC picture, right? You know what I mean? Girl support, girl power every hour. So Dovey does simple comment a heart eye emoji on the TC picture, right? And then somebody come under that and reply to Dovey. And this is what the person say. Alright? So them say, you need a new body goodie. No shade, but you can maybe DM them and see if the price is right for you. Now who tell them if you go do that, people? Because me don't know if uno know, but everybody's supposed to know how Dovey Magnum stay. So what I say, and you should have known, say if you say something like that to Dovey, it not go end well. As a matter of fact, me don't know too many females where you can say something like that too, and then react crazy. Like that is just out of pocket, wheel out of left field, just wrong. You see what I say? So people, what do you think Dovey do? In a good old Dovey fashion, Dovey screenshot it and post back on her page, and she have a caption with it. I go tell you what she say in a little bit. But not only that, you know what Dovey do? Dovey take down all of the picture them for the profile, which people are say another person there, like them I say is a fake account, is a troll or whatever. But anyhow it go, you know what I mean? Dovey no care, because Dovey has stand her grounds and she decides say, is that person with the picture them is a real person. So me are telling you this before me telling the caption, so the caption makes sense, right? So this is what Dovey said in the caption after she posts what the person say, and she said, no. Can y'all believe this shit? She had me, Jaja. This just motivate me differently, and I don't want to say nothing to me for posting this. Yuck. Please swipe. Now people want to swipe. I not really try to bring down nobody, but me have to describe and tell you know how the picture them stay. Now, if you don't want to see them, you have to go up on Dovey Magnum page. You see what I say, and look on them. You see me? But the person where they on it, boy, I don't know. It's a person where we definitely not really qualify if you tell nobody say if you go do body. You see me? I say. So that's why most people I say it look like a setup. Because it look like the person where behind the page just take down some picture and put on the page or whatever. Now, since Dovey post this, and Dovey have more, she continue, because two people are say actual Dovey put this down at the bottom of the caption, and she say, this is a real girl where have man and a baby. Me know trolls cause me a dead stamp at them. Right? So Dovey definitely I say is a real person. Now since that all of the picture them come down, Dovey even repost and say a person delete everything. All posts on their account they delete. You see me? So the post still over there upon the comments, I mean, still over there upon TC profile as well. So if you want to go check it out, you can slide by TC, picture them, and you will still see Dovey comment, and you will see that person here comment. But people want to think about this. You see what I say? All the while people stop with artists and take step at them, but this is kind of something where really like personally me not respect this none at all. I not talk on Dovey part. You get when you mess with people, but you can't really just in a public arena tell people about them need to go do them body and that. Now if it's a troll, it's a different thing, because you know say if it's a troll, anything is anything. Then just want to say things for hurt you, say things to make you mad, say things to get a reaction. And you know it go. People are 700 and odd comments upon it when time me screenshot it. You see me? More probably there now. So in the Dovey comment section, I see some familiar faces or names in this case, because you know I Instagram. So Bad Girl Cecile they write this are dead with laugh. And then Rebel, when you know say this kinda relates to Rebel, because Rebel and TC and Rebel do our body too and all of that. So Rebel say, me say I fix her, I saw she under pretty post. Now me don't know what she say under pretty post. You see what I say? Me did look for that, but me can't find it because that almost couple of days ago. But people, this start more look like a troll to me. Me don't know. You see what I mean? I say, because if they go up on pretty post with some kind of other argument as well, and then them trouble Dovey Magnum, like then just look for people for trouble. You see what I mean? I say, me no know, might be me wrong. Wanna tell me what I think. Now another thing still before me move on, I want to tell you say Rebel page get disabled. She managed to get back about 150,000 people on her new page already. But if you follow Rebel and you realize say you know see her, or you see what I mean? I say, you know say this go on, or whatever the case is, she have a new page, and it's that one I wanna see on the screen in the comment section. You see me? I say Rebel Official _94. So wanna refollow her if so. But people like me say, you know what I mean, a whole heap more comments to this. You have Tough Crackers down at the bottom there. Also Tough Crackers page disabled too. So you know what I mean, the dancer them out here and them are running into difficulties, so we want to support them. We can refollow Tough Crackers too. You see what I mean? I say, so if you don't used to follow Tough Crackers, just follow her again. Alright? But people, me really want to hear what I have to say about this. So just get in the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole thing, this person, about how Dovey angle it, Dovey reaction, all of that. You see what I mean? I say, some people, there's a lot to be learned here. So the first thing is that people can actually take your picture. If another person there, people will actually do that. Take your stuff and put up, and then, you know what I mean, go create problem on their profile and make it look like a you. So be aware of that. The second thing is to the people them where, you know what I mean, not have no common sense and think they can just say hurtful things to people, and people now go react certain way or style you back or even embarrass you on a larger scale than what you try to embarrass them. You see me? We now have to take note, because a whole heap of people out there like that. You see me? I say then say common sense are really common, and it start to look like a chew with some of the things that most people go on with, right? So you know what I mean? There, like me say, just be mindful. If you have your opinion, you have to frame it a way where you know so people are going to understand what you are trying to say. But this is a very sensitive thing. This is really body shaming. You see what I mean? I say, so you get what you get one time you mess with a sleeping lion. And Dovey is definitely a sleeping lion, people. Everybody know that. So people, me I go leave it right there. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay blessed, stay protected out there, stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.